All right, if you're disputing stuff on your credit on your own, you can probably get discouraged because the first time you send a letter out, the first letter that comes back to you is probably going to say verified. Now, that does not mean that since it's verified, it has to stay on your credit. What that means now is that you need to send them another letter. The second letter that you're going to send is going to be your method of verification letter. And that simply is just going to say, how did you verify this debt? You're saying that I owe it. I'm not paying you until you verify. Why would I pay something that I can't verify is 100% mine? So you said it is verified. Who did you talk to? What time did you talk to him? How can I reach him? What's their number? You want to ask all that information because why would you pay a debt that you don't know? It'd kind of be similar to like you walking into the store, walking into Walmart, and somebody walks up to you and say, hey, you used to owe Mike some money, but Mike said that I can collect that money for him, so I need you to pay me that money that you owe Mike. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't scroll yet. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, you want to be motivated, you want to get your mindset correct, you want to build your business credit, build your personal credit, or just understand finances better, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like this video, share this video with some people that you think it can help, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. We drop videos every single day, and pretty soon we're going to be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single day just for you to consume and really learn and grow as a person, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and level up in life. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This channel is going to take you one step closer to living the rich life. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Like, why would I do that? I need you to verify this. First of all, I don't remember Mike. You need to tell me who Mike is, and you need to verify the information. It's the same thing. Like, they creditors can't come up to you and say, you owe this money to somebody else, pay us for it. Nah, let me see the contract. Let me see my information on that. So you want to ask them, what's your method of verification? And you also want to tell them, I need you to send me over the original application with my signature on it. If they can't do that, they have to remove it from your credit.